Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can plug the microphone to your HyperX Cloud Flight S headset. So to do this, we have to simply grab our headset or rotate and focus on the left headphone, on this one, where we can find some buttons. And here is input for our microphone. So let me show you how we can put it. Just do this, like this. Or I mean opposite side, this one actually. Yeah, and right now we put it correctly, so take a look. That's how we can do this, and right now we are able to talk to your microphone. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.